I'm mometopink. So I am organizing the beauty space. It's quite small, but I have painted. I don't know. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry, guys. So I have painted the units white. This one is still black. Black. And I have a mess here, so I will be reorganizing. I'm doing some fall decorating as well, so I will reorganize. Hello again. So I will be adding these little thingies. Sure. Let me remove my palette. I don't know if you guys can see me well. There's no mirror. Okay, so I'll be adding these to here. It's gonna take a little bit longer because the paint dried in it and it's not the same size. So I will figure it out. Maybe I have to use some reinforcement. Let me see. Oops, one fell. Okay, let me try another one. And sorry about my nails because I'm painting and I'm doing all these things. I have decided not to wear my nails as yet, so I probably will put them on tonight. I don't know. But my real nails are not bad. Yes, this is going to be needing some reinforcement, so I will use this little nail tool I have, and make the holes a little bit larger so I could insert these suction things, and we'll continue this journey. So I will pause the video for now. Here the flower wall, and like I said, I like this little feathery thing going on here, chandelier. So I'm gonna keep the feathers and I'm gonna get like fall leaves or something and add some to here. Sorry about my nails. I'm painting, so I painted this white. If you remember, it was black and I promised to paint it forever. I don't have help. I do not have a husband yet. So I have to do everything on my own. This is a rental unit, so I don't have a lot of space. Yes, so I'm working with what I have. I'm trying to do some wallpaper in. I only ordered 2 from Temu. So what I did here, I just overlay that, and because it's a rented unit, I don't want to destroy the wall or nothing, so I just did this. I folded over and I did just enough, and at the bottom, so this is how short it is, so at the bottom I just stick the bottom, right? Let me show you. So this is what it looks like, and I don't have my coffee bar anymore. There's not enough room here for it, so I will be using one of this shelf for my coffee bar, maybe my mugs and my tumblers. I hope to order a lot of tumblers. Under here you can see I have like all my stuff going, not all but most of it. So so that's what's going on here. I redid my bowl. I have to show you. I redid my bowl. I put little stuffing in it, like, what's it called, those things, cotton. Yeah, I think it's cotton. Yeah. So I put it in there and I made it differently. So it's really nice. That's going to be the fall. I switched the temporary unit. I put it over here. I will be changing that out because I don't like the brown. So like I was saying, I'm going to change out the mirror because it's brown. It came with the place, so I just used it, right? So over here, this is a temporary closet space because my bookshelves that I had before, they were damaged. So where I store them, because of the renovation, they got damaged. So I'm using this temporary stuff. I've gotten rid of a lot of things from my whole space, my old beauty room. So I'm gonna incorporate a lot of new items in this one. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I will be I'm cleaning the glass. I'm cleaning all the glass for I will rest this here. I'm cleaning all the glass for the my goodness, guys. I have like 2 microphone sets. Actually, yeah, 3. Something like that. And I did charge these cute pink ones here. I charge them and I'm not using it, like, seriously. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm gonna set it up. Besties, I'm so sorry. I'm setting it up now. I hope it works well. It's charged, and for the other one, if it's not working, then I will be. So these are the glass for it, and so I'm gonna start putting these up. I'll be right back. Okay, besties, as I was saying earlier, I had to go sort stuff out. These are the glass shelving that I cleaned this one, and now it's all fingerprinted. So these are what I'm doing. I'm going to put the little these little things here, stick them in, and then replace the glass. I have to clean them because I only clean one. decorating and organizing. I am not the greatest painter in the world. I do not enjoy painting because I'm not good at it. So, but I wanted the unit white and they're white. And the wallpaper, I have to reposition that. So I will take you on this journey. Thank you so much, and to be continued. Love you lots.